The biggest landowners of Dwarka Expressway, BPTP. You must have already heard about their flagship project, which is the most, I would say, the premium plotted township of throughout Gurgaon, or 250 acres of land development of just plots and some floors also. There was a project launched nearby to it, which was by the name of Verti Greens in Sector 102, having almost the access from the main Dwarka Expressway. And we have one other project just nearby launched to it with just 3 towers, which is by the name of Gaia Residencies, is having also an access to the 1.75 lakh square feet of clubhouse that will also be delivered in their BPTP township in Sector 102. So this is something which you should definitely come and see if you are looking for an investment or planning to move nearby in upcoming 4 to 5 years from Delhi. You want to move to Gurgaon. Why? Because this is one of its first of its kind of a development that BPTP is doing. I mean, edge to edge, it will be all encapsulated glass facaded building with amenities like 1.75 lakh square feet of clubhouse. There will be like sky garden zones, yoga decks, sky libraries, and co-working lounges on the deck balconies of the towers, and having almost all the consultants which are globally renowned for structure, for landscaping and consultations. I think BPTP is doing very well at this location already, and they are offering a great rate of 18,000 rupees per square feet, a 30 40 30 payment plan. So if you still would want to enter on the first prize as an investor also, this is something that you can also consider, and I can show you the sample apartment also if you can call me on the given number, and definitely I'll be very grateful to help you in your investment journey. Give me a call and do subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.